change of value COV block from signal sublibrary of CAS Standard library. We can extend it maximally to inputs, also to the white, and basically it samples the analog input signal to analog output signal according to the step which is COV, change of value. So for example, if we have change of value 2, let's try it in online mode. So once again, if there is change of value 2 and the change is less than 2, so it remains the last state which was lower. So if it's 1, so the input is not transferred to the output. If it's 1.9, so it still remains 0. If it's 2, it's still it's equal, but it's not, the change is not bigger. So if it's 2.1, so the value is transferred to the output. And once again, if it's 4, so it remains number 2 on the output, and if it's 4.2, so you saw that there was positive pulse for one PLC cycle and the value is transferred. So we can sample analog input signal with this block, and all the time there is change on the output, it's generated positive pulse. It can be really useful, for example, when we want to send the value, the analog input value, through some communication protocol like Modbus. So all the time there is change of the input bigger than some value. We would like to send Modbus command to send the value somewhere. For example, it has many possibilities how we could use this block. That's it. That's great, and we like it.